This is a Norfolk Southern Railroad vertical lift bridge. Crosses the Calumet River in South Chicago, Illinois. Built in 1971 and is former nickel plate railroad. Woven through truss, and it is over the Calumet River in South Chicago. Now this bridge is still in use for train traffic. Raises for boats and ships and lures back for train traffic. So this bridge is still in use. MC. And Chicago has vertical lift bridges too, and the only one that I had showed you is the Canal Street, and then you got several vertical lift bridges over the Calumet River, located in South Chicago, Illinois.